Okay, welcome back to our coverage of Stream TV show right here in Denver, and I'm joined by Ravi from Google Ad Manager. Ravi, welcome and thanks for joining us. Let's jump right into it. I'd love to hear from your perspective how CTV publishers can ensure that their inventory remains premium, especially now that we're seeing a lot more AI and agentic buying and it's becoming quite prevalent.
Absolutely. Thank you, Alejandro, for the questions. Very relevant and very timely. So even before the impact of agentic, we already had a lot of CTV log tail inventory that was creating a lot of unfilled inventory for us. I think this really exacerbates the situation. Us, from our ad manager perspective, we think we can be doing two things. The first thing is we could be using more intelligent signals, privacy-safe, intelligent signals about the inventory itself to create premiumness of that inventory. So advertisers are able to clearly and in a transparent way see what the inventory is and what it is not. So that's something I feel like we can definitely be doing even in this space. The second way, I think, is to incorporate all of the agentic tools to really help delineate what is premium and what is not for advertisers and publishers in a scaled and automated way. For instance, some inventory might be premium because customers interact with it in a specific way and perhaps both on and off platform. This is something we feel could be useful for helping delineate really and creating that transparency.
So let's talk specifically about Google Ad Manager. How are you utilizing, leveraging AI to, when it comes to publisher solutions?
The funny thing is, if you step back and you look at the superset of AI, or the predecessor of AI, which is machine learning, we've been incorporating machine learning for a long time within Google Ad Manager. It may not be apparent to the user because it's not in a visible way, but it has been, for instance, in our optimized pricing floor feature, it has been using ML and continues to do so. But now we're in a different era with AI, especially with Google having Gemini, which is continuing to grow and invest in. With that, I think there are two things we see that's possible that weren't possible before. The first one is still being able to create better yield for our publishers, being even more smart about how to price the inventory in the right situation for the right customer and for the right advertiser. Extracting that yield is something we feel we can be doing with agentic, with all the AI innovations that are happening. The second thing is we feel like we can play a bigger role in privacy-safe signals because we can be using these AI tools to be even more privacy-safe while creating relevance for our publishers and advertisers. So these are like two ways. And I think Google Ad Manager is uniquely positioned here because we have access to the full stack of solutions, all the way from hardware to agents and actual solutions. I feel like we're in a unique way to bring these capabilities to bear on our publisher partners.
Well, Ravi, we really appreciate you taking a little bit of time to talk to us today, and we wish you a very successful show here in Denver.
Thank you so much.